Hey, and welcome to Hyggeslag. Today, I'm going to talk about last week. I got the happy news that one of my friends is expecting a baby. They don't know if it's a boy or girl yet, so the first thing I decided, I need to knit something for her, because knitting something for somebody who is expecting a baby is not just a piece of clothing, it's also a little package of love. I chose to knit a bib in pink and blue because the pink and blue bib is like boy and girl, but it doesn't take that long time to knit a bib. It takes, for the fast knitter, maybe an evening. So if it's not a boy, is not that much energy I put into something that she's not going to use. I also decided to knit a cardigan. This one takes a bit longer, so I chose to do neutral colors in case it's a girl and it was blue. Also embroidered a bee for baby. I chose that in a very thick embroidery, and then with a calligraph letter to make that two combinations, like rough and fine. This is super soft. This is alpaca. This is cotton, so you can wash it after use. These gonna be dirty when you use it, so this is a good thing to be able to wash with 40 degrees. I hope you got inspiration for if you get the good news, either if you expecting a baby or your friend is. I hope you're watching the video or following the channel, because we are gonna have so much more new free knitting videos for you. Thank you for watching.